next section, that is general knowledge section. 101st question. Who is the author of famous work The Man-Eater of Malgudi? The author, as you all know, is R.K. Narayan. Answer for this is R.K. Narayan. 102nd question. A kunti is an implement used to dig the soil. So the answer is an implement used to dig the soil. Coming to the question number 103. You put a glass of water in the sun. After 2 days, the glass is empty. Where did the water go? As you all know that sun is the main source of the hydrological cycle, that is water cycle. Be it any source of water, the water evaporates with the increase in temperature. Here the answer will be it evaporated. Best friend of soil is birds, insects, snakes. All these are pests for our crops, whereas the earthworms are our soil's best friend. Those aerate the soil, as in how they dig the soil, they aerate the soil and make it more fertile. Question number 105. Which solution is given when a person has vomiting and loose motion? Children, as you all know that when you have dehydration, means when you have vomiting or loose motion, doctor recommend you ORS solutions. You put the ORS in the water and start drinking. And do you know what is the main composition of ORS? It is salt and sugar. Many children, they get confused with lemon water. No, just think of ORS. The ORS solution has salt and sugar. Which one among the following is not a natural way of food preservation? Food preservation is nothing but you will try to retain the food for longer time in order to use it. Okay. There are many natural ways to preserve our food. They are drying, we sun dry or heat dry the things to preserve it. We pickle them, means we will add vinegar or salt to pickle them. Salting and sweetening. This is also a natural way of preserving. Whereas by adding preservative is not the natural way of preserving the food. Question number 7. Question number 107. Which leaves can be kept in box to protect the seeds from the insect? As you all know, the neem which we grow has more antibiotic, antibacterial and antifungal property. So as a result, we use neem leaves to preserve our food, to kill the pests as well as to protect the seeds from insects. Question number 108. Which of the following works cannot be done with water that has been used once? We can use the used water for mopping the floor. We can use it for watering the plants also. We can use them in the toilets. But once used water, we cannot use them for washing hand and washing our face. Moving on to question number 109. Which of the following devices is used to measure body temperature? So to measure the temperature, we use thermometer. Question number 110. How many spokes are there in the wheel placed in the center of Indian national flag? That is, our Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes. Moving on to question number 111. Who wrote Ramayana? So it is Valmiki who wrote our Ramayana. 112. Which one of the following is a non-renewable energy resources? Non-renewable means which cannot be renewed or reused. They get replenished with time. Wind, biogas and solar. These are renewable energy sources. And we have the non-renewable resources, petrol. In Jammu and Kashmir, what does yakhni refer to? Yakhni is a non-vegetarian dish that is prepared in Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 114. Tadpole is in larval age of which animal? It is frog. Answer is frog. 115. Birds like kites, eagles and vultures can see things from a distance of. As you all know, all these birds, they have very good visions. When compared to humans, they have 4 times greater good vision than humans. Say if we have a good vision till 2 meters, they have the good vision till 8 meters. When you take the reference with human vision, here these birds can see things from a distance of 8 meters. Moving on to question number 116. What is the name of the eldest brother among Pandavas? So the eldest brother is Dharmaraja, whose name is Yudhishthira. 117. Bihu dance belongs to which state? It is Assam. Moving on to 118th question. Wahida Prism, Lieutenant Commander in the Indian Navy, is what type of a professional? Wahida Prism Khan, she was the first woman officer in Indian Navy from Kashmir. So she was working in Indian Navy as a surgeon. Here the answer will be doctor. 119. How many gold medals did India win in Asian Games held in 2023? So it is 28 gold medals India has won in. Question number 120. Which super sense is activated by langur while warning others of danger? So langur, while sitting on the tree, it makes a sound and alerts the other animals of the danger. It is mainly the sound. 121. Which one out of the following animals has a very strong sense of smell? Out of all these 4 given, ant has very good sense of smell. Question number 122. We mainly get energy to do work from. So from all the food nutrients, proteins, they are body building nutrients. Vitamins, these are protective nutrients. They help in fighting against diseases. Minerals, these help in functioning of various organs. Whereas the fats and carbohydrates, these are the energy giving foods. 123. Children who live in the plains would find it difficult to walk on the mountains because the paths in the mountains are rocky and uneven. Where is Charminar? Charminar is in Hyderabad. 125th. Earth takes how many days to revolve around Sun? Generally what we say is there are 365 days in a year. No. Per year, Earth takes 365 days and 1/4 of a day to complete its revolution around the Sun. As a result of which, after 4 years, a whole day is added to make it a leap year of 366 days. Dear children, with this I conclude the general knowledge section, and as you all know that general knowledge is such a topic that it has ocean of knowledge. So here, with the best of my knowledge and justification, I have covered each and every question with appropriate answers. Thank you.